It hasn't been that long since your last visitation. How's the family and friends? 'Cause in confusion, her best I'm sure she sends. You say that brother doubt he should have come. Maybe he would have really had some fun. Mr. and Mrs. Accusation came. Uncle Unbelief also did the same. Sister Joy isn't far away when all of you come near. In God's house you have been made sons. With His house you've broken relation. Though fierce children play with your mind, in your heart you're not of their